The ANJ electric recliner chair set offers smooth power reclining with simple button controls, so you can fine-tune your back and leg position without effort during long movie nights. Soft, breathable faux leather and generously padded cushions keep the chairs comfortable for extended sitting while still being easy to wipe clean after snacks or drinks. Integrated cup holders and hidden storage in the armrests make it easy to keep drinks, remotes, and game controllers organized and within reach, which is ideal for a dedicated media room. Discreet USB charging ports inside the storage compartments let you power low-drain devices like phones or tablets without running extra cables across the floor. The three-piece layout, supportive high-back design, and tailored stitching give the set a cohesive home theater look that also works well in a living room or den. A sturdy, certified wood frame and solid weight capacity help the chairs feel stable and durable, and the straightforward assembly means you can set up the entire set in well under half an hour.